Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you are ready to experience the best beach umbrella you have ever used, then you have to check out this one from AMMSUN. I am so impressed by the way it resists falling over in the wind. We took it to an extremely windy beach on the Pacific Ocean where it had 12-mile-per-hour sustained winds with gusts up to 21 miles per hour. And it just was as solid as a rock. This has an absolutely brilliant sand anchor. That's what helps it to stay steady through any kind of wind. You simply twist it into the sand with the accompanying handle, and it is just so solid. It has high tensity fiberglass ribs inside the umbrella and a very strong aluminum pole. It also tilts up to 30 degrees, and I love that because then you can accommodate putting it into the wind so it can block that, or of course where the sun's coming through so that you can get optimal amounts of shade. Also, the fabric on this is absolutely amazing. Now, I burn really easily, and I hate putting sunblock on all the time, so it's nice to have an umbrella with advanced UV-50 coating so that I don't have to worry about getting sunburn. This design is Sky Whirlpool. It's just beautiful. And the cute logo with the ukulele and the bananas out sunning. I just love it. And I love that it matches some of the other AMMSUN products, like this really cute beach blanket. This is hands down the best beach umbrella I have ever used. I highly recommend it. I don't think you're going to be disappointed with it, and that's my point of view.